Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate TikTok. So watch this video till the end. To reactivate your account, you just have to simply log in. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Use Phone, Email or Username. Then write down your number. After you write down your number, tap on Send Code. You will get 6-digit code on your phone number. Write down the code that has been sent to you. Once you write down the code, it will show you a Reactivate your TikTok account. Tap on Reactivate. So that is how you reactivate your account on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.